Hi, this is Sherry Veronica, and the kids are back out to school. With 2 years in lockdown, it is like the gates of hell has been opened, and the kids are fighting each other. They're killing each other. They are walking with weapons. The teachers do not know what to do. And here it is that they're talking about sweet drinks and a price hike because they're putting an extra tax on sweet drinks. Yeah, sugar is a drug. I think we all know that sugar is a legal drug. But do you think that sugar and the fact that maybe they'll have an onset of diabetes or whatever other diseases come along with that high content of sugar, do you really think that that's the problem? Is that the problem? Because when you hear the shrieking of these kids, the banshee-ish, the darkness that comes out of these kids, and it is DNA related. It is something that is within them. Maybe it needs to be exercised. Maybe you need to look at what spirit occupies the kids in the new world, because it is something that is frightening. It's scary. And what you are hearing or about to hear in the background is not a movie. It's not a movie. It is real life. It is 2022, the 21st century. And this is what your kids sound like when they are out of school, on the rampage, fighting, stabbing each other, cursing, carrying on like demons. I mean, you don't want to say that word, but it's the spirit of the thing that you have to look at and you have to deal with. It's not sugar. It's not sugar. It's a different type of spirit. Listen to this. That's, those are your kids. Those are your sweet, hi, mommy. Yes, mommy. I'll see you later, mommy. I love you. Those are your kids. Those are your kids when they're outside of your view, when you don't see them. That's how your kids are behaving. Then you hear about all the STDs that came out of being in lockdown, all the transactional sex, all the young people that are selling their bodies for money because being in lockdown was not such a good thing because there's not enough food to sustain certain families, okay? So you're hearing about all the abortions and all the sex and all the incest and all the grime and all the rampant badness that happened during the 2 years of lockdown. Now the gates of hell are open and they're acting like banshees, like demons. What is it? What is it within the kids in the new world that you cannot get rid of? It's something that you saw when you were young. It's something you experienced when you were young, years, decades ago. And you go back and the same spirit is there. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. The same way kids behaved in the past, and you hear it from your mom and your mom's mom. You're hearing it. The same thing, the same spirit lives on. What is it? What is it that jumps into your kids when you birth them in the new world? What is it? Sure, Veronica.